Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, a couple months ago, I posted a video that I put the 9Drive throttle controller on my 2015 Dodge Ram, and everybody seems to love the review except for like the seatbelt chime. It is what it is. I didn't buckle up. Whatever. I made a couple statements in that video saying that the truck felt quicker. I don't know about overall faster, but it felt quicker coming off the line and everything. And I always thought, well, it would be awesome to be able to actually justify that claim. Well, I found something called the Dragy. It's a little 2-inch little GPS kind of racetrack in your pocket, I guess. So we're going to head out to Mexico in the 2015 Ram, and we're going to go through all levels of this 9Drive throttle controller. We're going to go from stock to the first level, to the second level, to the third level, make back-to-back runs on all of it, and see, is it quicker, is it faster, and put those claims to the test. So I'm going to hop in the truck, drive the 18 hours to Mexico, and I'll see you guys there. Hey guys, welcome to Mexico. I thought there was like sunshine and beaches and everything, but I don't know, Mexico looks a lot like West Virginia in the late fall, early winter. So maybe the beaches and stuff were just like CGI or something. But anyway, this is my 2015 Dodge Ram. This is what we're going to be running today. Like I said, I put the 9Drive throttle controller in the truck. It is pretty comparable from what I understand to the Pedal Commander, and I guess all the other throttle controllers. Kind of does the same thing, tricks your, I guess, computer to think that there is more throttle being given than what there is. And like I said in the other video, it kind of feels quicker. I don't think faster is really the word, but it feels quicker, like it comes off the line quicker. So we're going to run it in actually 5 modes today. We're going to do stock, the eco mode, which is supposed to be slower than the stock. Then we're going to do the highest level on the 1 setting, the highest level on the 2 setting, the highest level on the 3 setting. And we're just going to run it through an 1/8 mile. No reason to really do a quarter, because what we're really looking for is that 0 to 60 and that time through an 1/8 mile to see is it actually quicker or is it not. So I'm going to do this a couple different ways. I'm going to overlay the data on the actual cell phone, which you can do with the Dragy. If you haven't seen a Dragy, go on there and research it. They're actually on sale for like $130 some right now for Black Friday. So if you can grab you one, it's an awesome tool to do things like this with. So let's go ahead, hop in the truck back to stock setting, and we'll start making some passes. All right guys, we are going to put the throttle controller, like I said, it is on, that is eco, that is normal, that is the highest level in 1, highest in 2, and highest in 3. So we're going to start out with the normal setting. We have the Dragy set up, so all we have to do is take off and it starts recording. All right guys, so on run 1, we did 0 to 60 in 7.27 seconds. So that is pretty much our benchmark. Now, if we want to talk about actual times, we did that was a 10.0 at 71.70. So that is completely stock. So now we are going to run it on the eco. All right, so we are on normal. Let's click this over to eco. Dragy is set up, so let's go ahead and run this. Okay, run 1 on the eco tune was actually, well, not really tune, but on the eco setting was surprising. It actually did a 978 through the 1/8, which was actually better than the stock setting. So I don't know if maybe that was due to traction or what it was. And even the 0 to 60 was 6.95 as compared to 7.27. So interesting. So let's go ahead. We will bump this up to the first setting and get another run in. Okay, so run number 3 on the 1.9 setting was actually interesting. It was a 2.69 0 to 30, a 7.64 0 to 60, and an 1/8 mile time of 10.10. So far the eco mode, you know, kind of best so far as getting traction and actually taking off. That's kind of surprising so far. Okay, so let me bump this up. That is 2.9. Dragy is set, and let's go ahead and make another run. So again, some pretty interesting results. We had a 0 to 30 in a 2.81, 0 to 60 in 7.23, and an 1/8 mile at 10 flat. That's kind of surprising. That brings me to this thought. Is it really that crazy that, you know, the times aren't that different? No, because I think the better test for this would be like a 10 to 80. Or 10 to 70 or 10 to 60 to see which is quicker to actually get there. I mean, I know I tried to test quickness with this one, and all we're doing is really testing how fast it is, not really how quick it is without traction limiting it. So just for fun, we're gonna finish this and run this on the max setting and see what kind of time we can pull, since that's what we're doing now. So let me go ahead, bump this all the way up to 3. We got the Dragy ready. Okay, so on the last one, on the 3.9 setting, we had a 0 to 30 of 2.78, a 0 to 60 of 7.04, and an 1/8 mile time of 9.84, which I'm pretty sure is the fastest so far. That kind of brings me to what I was saying. I don't think the throttle controller will really make you any faster. I mean, we kind of proved that today, that this does not really add or subtract any time from the 1/8 mile time. They were all very, very close. Even the 0-60s and all that, we did have a slight uphill slope, as you can see on the overlay of the video. Next video that I do on this, we're going to take the truck, we're going to set up the Dragy to do a 10 to about 70 roll. That way it eliminates any kind of wheel spin, anything like that, so we can actually see, does this make you quicker or what it is? Because it feels quicker to me. I mean, obviously, if you've got one of these, you can tell that the throttle response is so much better. But does that equal to being faster or being quicker? Kind of up in the air still, because the best time was kind of split between the eco mode on this truck, which I think let it have more traction when we took off, and the 3.9, which I think did give us a little bit better acceleration down the 1/8 mile. So still up in the air. We can pretty much say that this does not make you any faster. Does it make you quicker? We will see in an upcoming video. So guys, if you like this, if you want to see more of these kind of videos, smash that thumbs up button. It actually does help the channel. It does help these videos get seen. If you want to see stuff that I'm doing kind of behind the scenes, head over to my Instagram. It's at the.real.moto.p. Hit that follow button. Check out my stories. Usually everything I'm doing that doesn't make it to YouTube goes on there. And if you could, go down below, hit that big red subscribe button. We are on our way to 4,000 subscribers. I would love to hit it for the end of the year. We have a little over a month left. I need 280 more subscribers to hit 4K. And then, I don't know, I think that would be the best Christmas present. So if you're seeing this video, hit that subscribe button. Help your boy out. See you guys on the next video.